So what have we got there? We've got a Glenn's Big Barramundi, Dad's Queenfish, Dad's Jewfish, a little grunter there, a couple of little grunters, and trevally and a bream. Day 3.
Day 6. A 1 day result there.
Yeah.
Not a 3 day result, 1 day.
And then we got, what do we got in the pot here? Nothing yet.
Yeah, over there.
Oh. Some mud crab. Yeah, hold that one up for me, Leno. There we go. Nice mud crab. 3 of those. So that'll get us some dinner tonight.
His eyes are still flicking.
He's still moving around a bit. Not a bad day's work.
Put him on Steve's nipple there. Give him a cheap
Nipple
piercing.
Our campfire going. Get the crabs on the cook.
Look at the photo of
On a hot coal.
There's Ian's boat. Machine. He's done well. That's where he spent today. Saw a crocodile today too. Come up about 100 metres from the nose of the boat, and then he disappeared again. About 20 minutes after that we started catching those fish. That's where the pub is up there. A nice beer garden and a couple of dartboards outside. Locals are pretty friendly. Not much here. That's the road in. It's a dirt road for about 40 kilometres. That red dirt. And there's a boat ramp over there. You see the water there.
You gotta put more rubbish in there, eh?
What?
Yeah, whatever it is. That's what you pack out tomorrow for crab pots.
And that's the camp.